I'm trying this new thing to record. Okay, so Bitcoin, right? Why am I talking about Bitcoin? Forex. It's basically doing this, right? I'm trading EURUSD, and pretty much like this pattern has made first touch here, second touch here, and wait, second touch over there, and now we're anticipating a third touch over here. But then, as you can see, right, prices made this like flag pattern over here to impulse to the downside. Now I am aware that that might not work out, and price and the price will pretty much do this. As you can see here, that we have an impulse, and then this is like a correction thing going on here, and we've had now we have a triple bottom, as you can see, right? It came here the first time, second time, and now this is the third time, and this could be enough for price to push and go to the upside, and pretty much do this. Pretty much mean that price is doing this. This is the new development that I'm seeing from the market, right? Like as you can see, price could impulse here. Well, not really impulse, but then correctly we come here and then make the third touch. You see what I'm saying? And then now, as you can see, we'll have first touch here, we'll have second touch here, and then we'll have the third touch, and that third touch is coming from here as well. And then price shoots to the downside and just continues to bleed to the downside. Now, my take profit is here because sometimes price, right, it will come to this 90% and then it makes like a bigger retracement pattern where I could get in here to then potentially come here without having to go through all of this drawdown. So that's my analysis, but then at the same time, right, let's just do this. Actually, right, let's do this real quick. Boom. But then at the same time, this could be enough, you know what I mean, because this right here is a strong resistance. If you look over here, like price resisted over here, and let me just do this, like if you can take this right here and just do this, you can see that price stopped here twice, right? First time, second time, and then it didn't quite make it this time and this time, right? But then prices stopped, and then now price came here with momentum. It shot up and then it kind of slowed down a little bit here, creating this impulse. It's a corrective impulse, but then it then made this three-touch structure here, which can be enough for it to push to the downside and then correct and continue to go to the downside, because price has done that before where it only makes two touches. Like if you look here, right, you look here, price only had two touches and then it went to the downside, right? first touch, second touch, and then it just went to the downside. And then you look at this one. This one had third touches, but look what it did. Right? Boom. Right. So as you can see, with first touch, second touch, it never came for the third touch, and they just shot to the downside. But then, yeah, you could say, based on this pattern here, right? First touch, second touch, third touch, but then it didn't correct for a long time yet before it shot to the downside. You know what I mean? And who knows? Who knows? It could shoot to the downside, or it could shoot for the third touches here, and then shoot to the downside. Either way, I'm prepared for whatever happens. So that's what I'm looking at here. That's the analysis for EURUSD. And yeah, I'll update you on what happened. But this is my trade right now, and if you want to take the trade, you can take the trade, but that's what I'm seeing in the markets right now. And it's your choice. You can either take the trade or you cannot take the trade, but I'm taking it because I can see that the trade has potential for 223, right? And then the overall take profit is actually 332. The overall take profit is 322, but then I'm taking 230 something, I forgot it. But then, like, yeah, that's what I'm taking. So you can either take the trade or you cannot take the trade, but that's what I'm doing. And that's my analysis. And today is, Friday. It's the 20th of May. It's a Friday. So yeah.